Mantiques Network, how are you doing today? Got a nice offering here. What we have today is three 1950s cardboard self-framed Federal ammunition store displays. These look to be new old stock. I'll show you in a second why I believe that. Anyways, they're really good shape. If you are into vintage advertising, guns, ammo, or anything like this, this is cool. For those of you who aren't sure about what a self-framing is, it's basically a piece of cardboard that folds out and looks like an actual wooden frame. So you take a look at that there. They're really, really cool. They got great content, nice pictures of hunting. So if you are a fan of vintage advertising, hunting, or just cool pictures in general, these might be.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.